Hi, my name is Gaurav Khurana, and SelectorsHub is a very good tool. If you are doing UI automation, you must use it. You can save a lot of time. The best feature of the tool is like from a page you can get all the selectors in one go by using the feature that has been released in 3.0, where you can export by selecting the locators that you want. And the best part is like Sanjay, who is the creator of this tool, he's very much approachable. So whenever you feel there is I have got many suggestions implemented for it, and he really gives, and it's really good to work with him. So it's a must tool. And one tip would be like, if you are in an interview where you have to automate in some machine round, SelectorsHub can help you in a very good way by finding the locators for you, and it can save a lot of trouble, because generally the program that you will get, mostly they try to play with the locators where the child and dependents and all those elements are linked. So SelectorsHub is a must to have in your tool list. So start learning it, and you can do the certification as well.